Hey everyone, welcome back to Market Watch. Hope you all had a great weekend, enjoyed the sunshine, and are now ready to hit the charts. So let's get into it this week as we take a look at US oil and some other awesome pairs. Taking a look now at US oil, I pointed this out last week as a possible head and shoulders pattern. Now looking at the weekly chart, we can see that we have it confirmed with our left shoulder, our head, and now our right shoulder with this low test candle on the weekly chart. Let's take a closer look here now at where we could see this pair going. After this large run up, I want to see the market pull back to one of these fib levels, which is going to give me a higher low. From there, I can look at getting into a nice safe trade, having my stop on the opposite side of that higher low. And from there, we're going to look to trade that up to around the area of $44 a barrel, or when we get into our daily 50 EMA or our downward sloping trend line is where we could start to run into some resistance. So going to be waiting patiently on this US oil trade here. Want to wait to get that pullback before I looked at committing to this position. This could actually still just keep going up, playing off of that strength of the weekly chart, as that was a really good reversal candle. Taking a look now at the dollar yen, again here looking at that weekly chart, we can see that we have another low test here forming off of that strength of NFP last week. Friday we had some really good numbers that came out that gave the dollar some good strength. So forming a low test candle here on the weekly chart. Now taking a look at the daily chart, we can see that we've been getting that momentum in our upwards direction now. So I'm going to wait again here for a pullback. I want to see another higher low here form before I'm looking at getting in again, which is going to give me that really good tight stop. I want to see us trade it up to our daily 50 EMA or possibly this downward sloping trend line that is going to be acting as resistance. So waiting for that pullback to give us a higher low. From there, we'll look to take it long just for a short move all the way up to the resistance area up here. Taking a look now at the Aussie dollar on the 4-hour chart, we can see that we're still here trapped between some structure, but we're coming up to a really good area of resistance around 0.7670 area, where we're forming this really nice triple top pattern. If we take a closer look in here right now, we can actually see that we had a really good rejection going off of this so far. But for this pair, I'm just looking at taking a quick move to the downside just until we find some more support. From here, I want to be calm and patient. I'm really hoping that we're going to see some new structure starting to form as we are starting to get into this tight squeeze here. We are going to be having to start to break this structure soon. Once we break that structure, I think that we're going to have some really good longer term opportunities to hold a nice carry trade on the Aussie dollar and possibly some other Aussie pairs. Taking a look now at the Euro Aussie on the daily chart, going all the way back to May of 2014, we can see that we are at a tremendous area of value right now. We are sitting at the tipping point of around 1.4480, and we can see that price has rejected and also acted as support off of this area many times. So right now I'm looking at getting a nice triple bottom set up off of this, where we are expecting that this pair is going to be going long. So now we are getting that rejection, and I will be looking to take this trade up to the upside, where we could start to run into some resistance on our daily 50 EMA. So a few really good opportunities for you guys here this week. Hopefully this will give you some insight of what to look for and what to wait for, and we will continue with some more analysis on GoTV this week. Hope you all have a great week, and we will see you on Wednesday.